In this video, I'll compare two popular hardware wallets, Dcent Biometric and Trezor, so you can decide which one best fits your crypto security needs. We'll go over features, security, usability, and price before giving a clear verdict. Let's start with Dcent Biometric. Built by IoT Trust in South Korea, Dcent stands out for its fingerprint authentication, adding a physical layer of protection on top of PIN and passphrase security. It supports more than 4,600 assets across 84+ blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. The 1.1-inch OLED screen and Bluetooth connectivity make it very mobile-friendly, pairing with both iOS and Android apps. At around $119, it's a solid choice for tech-savvy users who want biometric security and DeFi features like staking. On the downside, it lacks a touchscreen and doesn't have a native desktop app, which could limit usability for some. Now onto Trezor. Created by Satoshi Labs in the Czech Republic, Trezor is one of the pioneers in the hardware wallet space. Its models, like the Safe 3 and Model T, support over 8,000 cryptocurrencies. The firmware is open source, offering maximum transparency for those who value verifiable security. The Safe 3 is simple and budget-friendly, while the Safe 5 adds a 1.54-inch color touchscreen and EAL6+ certified secure element for top-tier hardware protection. Trezor uses USB connectivity and the Trezor Suite app for desktop and mobile. Plus, it offers Shamir backup, which splits your recovery seed for safer redundancy. The trade-off? No Bluetooth, so it's less convenient for purely mobile use. Verdict: if you want open-source transparency, wide coin support, and strong desktop integration, go with Trezor. If you value biometric security and mobile-first convenience, Dcent Biometric is the better fit. Check out the comparison chart at the end of this video for a quick recap. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with your crypto friends, and subscribe for more crypto hardware reviews.